Are you vegan or
I'm
vegetarian?
what they call alkaline vegan. You know what I'm saying? It's levels to this, and I actually follow Dr. Sebi. He's saying viruses and diseases and different illnesses, they can't live and maintain themselves in an alkaline environment. So when we eat fruits and vegetables and drink liquids or beverages with a pH that's above 7, it makes our body it strengthens our immune system and makes our body more less prone to issues and illnesses that are preventable. You know what I'm saying?
What made you decide to do this? Have you always been this way, or is it something that you've been doing for X amount of years?
Well, yeah. I mean, like I've probably been on this way for about 3-4 years. What did it for me was just like a lot of people that's close to me. You know what I'm saying? Dying from preventable illnesses or whatever. And I just felt like if they had access to this information back then maybe they'd still be here with us today. You know what I'm saying? So and then now fast forward to today, I know a lot of people might have been going through the same situation I was going through, as far as having relatives and things of that nature who died from cancer and things like that. You know what I'm saying? And I want to share this information since it's out there with them, so they could possibly avoid that situation and just live a more wholesome life for themselves. Even for me, I want to live life to the fullest, and I feel like a part of living life to the fullest is eating a proper diet and you're taking care of yourself. So it's for I want to do it for myself and for my community. Put it like that.